Okay, welcome back in the shed. Today I got a quick video. I decided to put the Samsung microphone on a boom arm, so I thought the best thing you can do really is get a decent one. So I looked about everywhere and I decided on the PSA1 Plus. I was going to get the PSA1 and I'm not sure whether I'll let you know what the username is. I bought a PSA1 on eBay, you know, second hand, paid the money, waited, didn't turn up, so I thought had to get eBay involved. The guy didn't respond, eBay gave me the refund. So I seen another user and they had a good feedback, so check your feedback because sometimes it makes sense. Even when you think, you know, there's a new user and you'll give them a chance, you know, everyone's got to start somewhere, be careful. Anyway, so they were selling this PSA1, and what they are is a Rode dealer, and what they do is send back, like, I won't say returns, but damaged boxes. So I thought I'll try them. They've got a good feedback, no minuses, so I'll give it a go. And I paid, I think it was about 73 quid. I will put it in a video. You'll probably see that video as I'm talking out. I'll probably send you the username because it was straightforward, no problems, very fast delivery, reputable delivery firm, and couldn't ask for more really. So, am I recording? Yes, I am. So, without further ado, this is a bit big for my desk at the moment. How do I get it open? Is that sound? Oh, right, put that down there. It was as new, but like I said on the thing, damaged box. I will put the eBay listing as well and the eBay user, because fair play to them, they were quite good. Is that recording? No idea. So in the box, as you can see, don't know if you can see that, you get a cover for the thing, some more boxes. What I'm thinking of doing is putting it there next to the laptop there, so I can just bring it here closer to my mouth, because I'm finding that because I'm tapping the desk a lot too often, it's picking it up that way. So I thought if I get it on a boom arm, I should get rid of that. I've also got a shock mount which is here, and I'll use that in a different video. I had a job finding that, to be honest with you. Shock mount for Samsung, there's so much confusion about which is best. There's an SP4, there's an SP1. Turns out if you dig deep into the Samsung site, they do recommend the SP4. So I bought that not from Samsung, I bought that new from another store online, and they were excellent. I will give you the link when I do the video on this one. And it says for this one just tells you that it's spring loaded, so be careful. That's what it says. Rode microphones PSA1 Plus start guide. It shows you all the start guide, what to do, etc, where to put it, how to put it on. This has got two options as well. That's what I liked about this, and because that weighs like a brick, it's a shit ton. So if I get it, open these boxes, I'll probably put it there sitting in the desk. If I wanted to do it anywhere else, I've got two options with this now. So while that pops open, there's the arm that way. So this will be going like that. So once it's got weight on it, it'll probably stay as it is. And the boom mic will be there. Not the boom mic, the shock mount will be there on that. So it's quite a hefty, and I must have watched a million videos about what's good, what isn't. It's got a cable guide for there. I guess you can put them through there if you wanted to. That's still taping. Yes, it is. It's got this hefty Rode emblem on all. It's all over it. Anyway, yeah, I suppose it's their firm. I would have liked it to have been a little bit more discreet, maybe like in the tiny one there, the corner. It's got better adjustments, so you can adjust it and tighten it than the Rode PSA1. This is the updated version, and I'll put this back where it is for now, because the next time you see it, it will be on my desk. Just thought I'd give you a look-see. Back on there, see if I can get that back on there. Will that fit in there? That's got to fit, because that's how I... Anyway. What else I'm looking for? I'll show you the two other things that come with the mic. This is a cap for that. What I'll do with this, I'll get this out of the way, because it's quite bulky. To install the actual boom arm into the desk, they've given you the other one was a smaller version than this. Now this one has got, I don't know if you can see that there. Can you see that there? Like that? Can you see that? No? See that? Anyway, what this does is, you undo that. It's got the insert for the microphone itself, the actual boom arm itself, and it's also got an extra hole if you want to run your leads down the boom arm into there like that, and then through the desk it'll do that as well. And if you're not bothered, you've got a little blanking case cover on there, so you can just blank that off. I don't think I'll bother so far. What I'm thinking of doing, it'll be going there, somewhere like that, so I can bring the boom arm over or push it away if I don't need it. That's that close to me. So you need to drill the hole at least as big as that. So I've got one anyway. I've got a drill bit for that. Now the alternative to that is, if I can get it off, is the usual actual one that goes onto the edge of a desk. On this one, on the upgraded one, they've got a rubber mounting underneath, and they've also got a rubber mat on top because it was damaging the desks, so that gives it a firmer grip. And you've also got rubber tips on the end of the actual arm, because what happens is, like everybody who's got a computer or whatever, you've got to go under your desk, and the first thing you do is going to catch your head on that. So that really is to stop you getting, or your legs or your elbows or whatever. If you do catch it, it's not going to hurt so much. And that'll go, let's just say you want to put it here, let's have a look, and then that'd go like that, tighten it up, and that'll go onto your desk like that, and then you attach the actual mic, which is here. Take that off, that'll go onto there, and if you wanted to talk, you could put your microphone there to your face, so it's quite close if you wanted it that way. I don't know if I'll have it that close, but if you wanted it anywhere else, it doesn't really matter what it is. So there. The only thing I would imagine would have been easier if they've had a little, maybe you can do it on the actual shock mount, so you could twist it, so you could point the microphone in a different way. I don't think you can do that with this, but look how big that is. You know what I mean? Well, you want it, but obviously this is going to be there for me. I could have it like that if I wanted to, if I wanted the mic closer to me. But so, if you wanted people to think I got a Rode boom arm, you know what I mean? I'm in with the thing. So that's it. I think what I paid for it, if I haven't showed you already, I'll show you now. I got an absolute bargain, and sometimes I think it was only £10 more than I would have paid for the PSA1. Sometimes when people say it was meant to be, you know what? Maybe they're right, you know. Sometimes it is meant to be. You never know, do you? Am I still taping? There's the thing. So hopefully this will fix my vibration problem, and I've got loads to review. I've got all them. You can see all them to review. I've got some more over there to review, got some power tools review. It's finding the time, you know, with life and work and all that. And by the time you've finished doing the normal chores, finding the time to dedicate to this is extremely difficult. So if you can appreciate that, can you give us a like, subscribe to my channel if you like this video, like it again, smash that like button, because the more likes I get, the more subscriptions I get, the more the algorithm sends me out. And if you're interested in what else I've got to show you rather, like I said, like the video, send it to your mates. Are you thinking about buying a Rode PSA1? If so, have a look how much the PSA Plus ones are, because they don't have to cost you over $100 or $100 or 100 quid. This cost me less than 80 quid. Look at it. It's perfect. Out the way. You know what I mean? It's there. It's gone. Simple as that. Ideal. Like I said, for me, it's going here in my desk there. So, before my batteries run out, I've got lots to show you. If you're interested in the PSA1 and how it looks on the desk insert in this, come around for the next video. If you're interested in other things I've got, other bargains from B&M and home bargains, come and have a look. I've got some good bargains here, you'll never believe it. I've got some GoPro stuff to show you. I've got a mouse, I've got, you name it, I've got loads of stuff. I've got some Aldi tools I want to get to review and unbox and things like that. So this next month or so is going to be a busy month, and hopefully I can get 1 or 2 more videos up if I've got the time. So until the next time, take care, bye bye.